As we cross over the 10th anniversary of our presence here in Lithuania and reflect on what that last decade has brought, it's absolutely incredible. The Windows editor was developed here, and the mobile runtime and the mobile support for Unity was done here.
Aras, I think one of the first employees of Unity, he joined Unity and he was working, and I think he decided to go back home.
And then we moved back. I moved back to Kaunas, and someone else moved back to Vilnius, and that's why we have two offices. The very first office that we got in Kaunas, that was only for two people. Very first people were very, I would say, self-motivated and didn't need much guidance or much sort of hand-holding.
We have access to a lot of great talent here in Lithuania, a lot of motivation, I would say.
That's amazing about the people in Lithuania is how they're able to see a really hard problem, not be scared of it. They have the courage to actually tackle that.
They're working in architectural changes of Unity and preparing Unity for the next 10 years. So they play a very key role here.
You've got to be mission and vision driven. And at Unity, we believe the world's a better place with more creators in it.